3. This question from definite integration. Write down question. If a belongs to closed 0 comma pi by 4, 0 comma 4, then integration of 0 to a, integration of 0 to x square minus ax plus a square, x square minus ax plus a square into ln of 1 plus tan x into tan a, ln of 1 plus tan x into tan a dx is equals to 5a cube by 12 into 1 plus tan square a. This is what we need to prove, into tan square a. Solution. Use this property. Integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equals to integration of 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This is application of this property. So first let the given definite integration be, let I is equals to the given definite integration, that is I is equals to integration of 0 to a x square minus ax plus a square into ln of 1 plus tan x into tan a dx. So this is I. Give this to number 1. Next, use this property. Integration of 0 to f of x dx is f of a minus x. Now replace x with what? A minus x. Then this is equals to integration of 0 to a x is what? A minus x. That is a minus x whole square. A minus x whole square minus of a times a minus x plus a square into ln of 1 plus tan of a minus x into tan a into dx. Now this is equals to integration of 0 to a, expand this one. If you expand a square plus x square minus 2ax minus a square minus minus plus ax plus a square into ln of 1 plus tan a minus b, tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b into tan a to dx. Now what you do is, now this is equals to integration of 0 to a, this minus a plus a square minus a square cancel, so this becomes x square minus 2ax plus ax, that is minus ax plus a square into ln of this becomes what? This is 1 plus tan a into tan x plus, if you open this bracket, this is tan square a minus tan x into tan a, tan x into tan a over 1 plus tan a into tan x into dx. Next, see this tan a tan x minus tan a tan x cancel, so this I is equals to integration of 0 to a x square minus ax plus a square into ln of 1 plus tan square a, 1 plus tan square a over 1 plus tan a tan x into dx. Now here ln a by b, ln a by b is equals to what? Ln a minus ln b. So here this is equals to, I is equals to integration of 0 to a, integration of 0 to a, this is x square minus ax plus a square into this ln a by b, that is ln of 1 plus tan square a minus ln of 1 plus tan a tan x into dx. Now if you open this bracket, this I is equals to integration of 0 to a x square minus ax plus a square into ln of 1 plus tan square a minus integration of 0 to a, this is x square minus ax plus a square times ln of 1 plus tan a tan x, here dx, here also dx. So what is the question? Integration of 0 to a x square minus ax plus a square into ln of 1 plus tan a tan x, that is only the I. Integration of 0 to a x square minus ax plus a square into ln of 1 plus tan a tan x, this is I. So now this is equals to, I is equals to integration of 0 to a x square minus ax plus a square times ln of 1 plus tan square a dx minus I. Now take out this I this side. So next step is equal to 2I is equals to, this is anyways your integral variable is what? X. Therefore you can write this ln of 1 plus tan square outside the integral. Therefore this is equals to 2I is equals to ln of 1 plus tan square a. Therefore next step 2I is equals to ln of 1 plus tan square a times integration of 0 to a x square what is that, x square minus ax plus a square, x square minus ax plus a square, x square minus ax plus a square dx. So therefore 2I is equals to ln of 1 plus tan square a. If you integrate this one, it's a simple integration only. This is x cube by 3 minus a x square by 2 plus a square x. Limits are what? From 0 to a, which is equals to, therefore I is equals to 1 by 2 times ln of 1 plus tan square a, ln of 1 plus tan square a into a cube by 3 minus, here x is a, that is a cube by 2 plus a cube. So which is equals to 1 by 2 times, I is equals to 1 by 2 times ln of 1 plus tan square a times, here this 6 2a cube minus 3a cube plus 6a cube. So which is equals to I is equals to this is 6 plus 2, 8 minus 3. Therefore 5a cube by 6. What is the requirement? Yeah, 5x 5a cube by 5 6 8. Okay, 5a cube by 6 into this 1 by 2 into ln of 1 plus tan square. Make correction in question. This is equal to, this is ln of 1 plus tan square. This is not 1 plus tan square, this is ln of 1 plus tan square. That is 5a cube by 12 into ln of 1 plus tan square. This is our question actually. 5a cube by this 2, that is 5a cube by 12, 5a cube by 12 into ln of 1 plus tan square. These are final answer.